It will be interesting to see how that plays out. Now, David Maraga has been sworn in as Kenya's second Chief Justice and President of the Supreme Court under the 2010 Constitution. This is after Parliament unanimously approved his nomination by the Judicial Service Commission to head the Kenyan judiciary. As KTN News reporter Michelle Ngele reports, Maraga's first task in office was to swear in the nine members of the select panel that will be choosing the new commissioners of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission.
David Maraga, Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya and the President of the Supreme Court of Kenya.
The swearing-in ceremony for David Maraga, the culmination of months of a vigorous search to find the new head of the Apex Court. 66-year-old Maraga was sworn in at State House before President Uhuru Kenyatta in the full view of other senior judicial officers and government dignitaries. He's swearing in, relieving Justice Mohammed Ibrahim of his position as the acting presiding president of the Supreme Court, even as members of the judiciary welcomed Maraga to his new position.
As a commission, my Lord Chief Justice will give you full support, will ensure that your vision will prevail, and you can count on JSC to give you utmost support.
We in the Judicial Service Commission have absolutely no doubt that we have chosen the right man for the right job.
David Maraga becomes the second Chief Justice under the 2010 Constitution, but a big challenge lies ahead. He will have to face high expectations from lawmakers who've made it clear that he must chart a new path for the judiciary.
Justice, you're coming to head an arm of government that on average has over 20,000 people in remand. 20,000, give or take. These are people who are held. When they appear, the file is lost. Justice delayed, as we said yesterday, is justice denied. These are 20,000 human beings. Chief Justice, I really look forward to you doing something about that.
The challenges are there, but we are up to that challenge, and we trust that with God's guidance, we'll be able to carry out the mandate that has been bestowed upon me.
Hours into his new job, Maraga embarked on his first official duty at the Supreme Court, swearing in members of the select panel of commissioners who will select the new commissioners of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission.
I, Peter Karanja Mwangi, Reverend Canon,
having been appointed member of the selection panel,
that I will faithfully and fully, impartially and to the best of my ability.
Having been sworn in, the IEBC select panel will within the next 7 days have advertised positions for IEBC commissioners. In the meantime, Chief Justice David Maraga's focus in his first few days in office will be to put the Supreme Court in order as the country inches closer to the 2017 general elections. Michelle Ngele, KTN News, Nairobi.